just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. I'm so happy. I gotta put my glasses on, y'all, because I can't really see. Ooh, it's leaving like a little reflection from my ring light. Okay, so the glare is still there. I cleaned my glasses off, but yeah, I don't know. My ring light is just making a glare, so I gotta see though. At least for this part while I read, because I'll be blind. Anyways, hey guys, it's your girl SimplyDommie, and I am back with another video. As you can see from the title, I am going to be doing a review on Body by Raven. I'm amped. So Body by Raven is a black owned business. Raven is actually from Buffalo, New York, like me. That's why I'm so amped. She has sweatsuits, bodysuits, and everything, leggings on her website. Raven is like an entrepreneur. She's a model, she's a businesswoman. So, you know, she's a bunch of things all in one. Her vibe and her energy seems super dope via Instagram. I've never personally met her, but just, you know, on the outside looking in, she seems pretty dope. So I was like super excited to be able to get my hands on something of hers. So I would highly recommend that, you know, you guys go check out her business, read up about it, see what it's about. I'm gonna be doing a review on this bathing suit that she just dropped. So this is the packaging that it comes in. And then on the back, I'm gonna cover up my address. But on the back, it has like different things. All bodies are good bodies. Your body loves you, love your body back. I'm gonna read you guys the rest. I am enough, I am smart, I attract positivity, I am confident, I attract opportunity, I am kind, I am worthy, my curves are where they are meant to be, and there is nothing shameful about that. You are loved, you are wonderfully made, you are beautiful, you have a purpose. Dear body, I love you. So obviously from all of that, you can tell she is all about body positivity, and I think that's another reason why I was just like, oh yeah, I'm obsessed like with the whole movement. So I'm gonna go ahead. It was already open, as you can see. So inside it came with my receipt, like my order, my packaging slip order to tell what I got. And then it, ooh, what's these? Are these stickers? I think these are stickers, guys. I'm not 100% sure though. These, oh, wrong way. That is so cute. Oh, there's a little card inside too. Okay, it says, thank you so much for being a hashtag body babe. We are because of you. Don't forget to tag us in photos wearing body for a possible repost. Love, Raven, Tracy, and the team. Your body loves you, love it back. And then it just has her website and her Instagram. Oh, and then that's just a little envelope that it came in. It has body on the front. So far her packaging is on point. Between the poly mailer with the, you know, the girls on the front of it, and then this coming in here, yeah, on point. Now we're gonna get to the actual product. So it came in 2 plastic baggies. The plastic baggies even has her name, the company name, and her name, Body by Raven. It has her slogan, and then it has her website. So she is branding herself, honey. Let me take my glasses off. Everywhere you see body by Raven, body by Raven, body by Raven. That's how you really push your company. Put that ish on everything. Man, this is inspiration for me, because you guys know I recently started my online boutique. You know, I'm just getting started in August. Business has been amazing. It has its like really highs, and then it has its like, and then it go back up, and it like, it'd be all over the place. But I'm learning as I'm going, and like shopping with companies like her and seeing stuff like this, it's like, wow, okay, that gives me an idea of how I need to be running stuff. Or it gives me an idea like, okay, my clothes, I need to start putting my clothes in little baggies and then place them in the poly mailers, because that's not something that I do. Right now, she already got a 10 out of 10 for me, honey. I was a fan from jump, but I mean, so far it's good. I'm gonna take it off the packaging, fill on the material, and then obviously I'm gonna try it on for you guys so you guys can see. So let's start with the top. I got a large in the top. And like I said, I got a large in the top because the girls be wanting to show out sometimes, and sometimes my boobs for some reason get OD like swollen, and they be like bigger. So I was like, I'm not gonna play myself and get a medium, I'm gonna get a large. But in the bottoms, I got extra large because they're a bikini fit, and I know sometimes with bikini fits, they like be right up at your ass, just swallow it whole, okay, to say the least. So, and I know how my butt goes, so I was like, okay, just so I'm not swallowing it too much in a large, I'm gonna go a size up to hope for some extra room. So here are those. Super cute. Oh, I didn't even notice that on the back. She's got the little, wow, that's so cute. I do wish it would have had, like, you know, the little sticker on the inside just for safety purposes, but like obviously I know nobody, I would hope nobody else like tried this on or anything, and it's mine. I'm not returning it. I don't even think you can return a bathing suit. That's gross. So I mean, even if I can't fit, maybe I'll hang it up in my room somewhere and like pray one day I can fit it. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna try these on, and I'll be right back. Okay, the front of it, like I said, my boobs be playing sometimes. I pretty much probably could have even did an extra large, not gonna lie to you, but the large fits. And then I just tied it in the back like so. And I love how like the strings, let me show you, it's like you can adjust it to how you want. So on both sides at that. So that is the bottom. Here for it. Show you guys the front. Gut and all. Still cold. Detail. All right, something I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video is that the name of this set is another reason why I really wanted it. And then the design of it. The name of this set is called Juno and Jupiter. I thought that was super cute. Design, the name, the overall company, the owner, like it's so many reasons why I invested my money into this business, because you know it wasn't cheap. None of her stuff is cheap. Like I paid like $160 for a bathing suit. Most people would be like, $160 for a bathing suit, like that's crazy. But to me, I feel like it was worth it, you know. I love the name of the business, number one, and then I love what it stands for, you know, all about body image and body positivity, encouraging women to just love themselves for the way that God made you, pretty much. I love, absolutely adore that. Oh, the style of the bathing suit, how it has like the women around it and on it and stuff like that. The color, I love the color of it. So like to me, I feel like I got my money's worth. Most times when you shop, I feel like you're looking more so for the experience that the company might bring to you versus the money that you're gonna spend. Like, you know, I feel like I got my $160 worth, and when I take a picture in this bomb ass body bathing suit, I'm gonna really feel like I got my money's worth. The way that I ended up was able to get this set was I had signed up via Body Babe using, she sends out like, I mean not she sends out, she posts this thing on Instagram and she's like, sign up to receive texts and notifications of when stuff drops or to receive early access. And one day she did that and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it just cause I'm gonna do it. And then the day that she had dropped the bathing suit, she had sent it to the like the Body Babes early access, like a text message, and I'm like, I need this, I need this. I'm like, I can't let this opportunity pass me by, okay? So I snatched it up and I was super excited. It came extremely fast. So that's another thing that like got me amped. So like next time when I sign up for the early access, or maybe, I don't know if it stays like automatically signed up, but you know, next time she drops something, I know I'm gonna have that early access and I'm gonna snatch it up and it's gonna come super fast. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this review slash try on haul. I definitely give the company a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend it. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you like the bathing suit. Let me know if you know about Body by Raven. Let me know if you've ever purchased something by her. You know, just let me know. And as always, subscribe. You had this whole video to subscribe. Why haven't you? It's my flashlight, because I'm wondering why y'all haven't subscribed. So go ahead and do that now. I'll give you 5 seconds, okay? I'm looking, but I ain't gotta watch. Go. Okay, you should have done it by now, okay? Okay, bye.